In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add links in MindNode. If you've ever wanted your mind map to do more than just hold ideas, adding links is a simple way to turn any node into a quick gateway to a web page, a reference article, or a resource you need to revisit. Let's walk through the exact process so you can do it confidently on your device. Start by selecting the node you want to attach the link to. Just tap the node once to make sure it's highlighted. If you accidentally tap the background and the highlight disappears, tap the node again to reselect it. Picking the right node first is important because the link you add will be associated specifically with that node. Next, open the inspector. You'll find it by tapping the inspector button, which often appears as a paintbrush icon at the top of the screen. Depending on your version or layout, it may also look like an information icon. Either way, you're opening the panel where you can adjust node-specific settings. If you don't see it immediately, take a second to look along the top toolbar. Once you spot the paintbrush or info icon, you're in the right place. Inside the inspector, tap Link. This brings up the field where your URL will go. Before you paste, it helps to have the link already copied to your clipboard so it's ready to drop in. Tap in the field and paste the URL. Be sure to include the full address, ideally starting with HTTPS, so MindNode recognizes it as a valid web link. If the link is long or messy, don't worry. The node can still display your own clear wording while the full URL sits behind it. When the link is pasted, tap Done. That's the action that saves your change and ties the URL to the selected node. You should now see a small link indicator on or near the node. From now on, tapping that node's link will open the web page in your browser, making it easy to jump straight from your map to your source. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Use descriptive node titles so you know what each link is for at a glance. Double check that there are no extra spaces in the URL, and stick to trustworthy sources. If a link doesn't open, verify the address is complete. And that's it. Tap the node, open the inspector, choose link, paste the URL, and tap Done. Simple, fast, and a huge upgrade for your workflow.